Hello, my name is Anup Nirola and I am here to talk about our HCI mini project. My group members are Prabhat Pandey, Vijay Shrestha and Karun Shrestha. The topic of our project is Application of Web Design Principle in Online Learning Website to Improve Asynchronous Learning. This video is used to showcase our progress and accomplishment while doing the mini project. Let's start off with the problem statement. In the current day and age, everything is handled online. In the case of education too, online learning provides us with a wonderful opportunity to rethink personalized learning through asynchronous teaching. But, in the context of asynchronous learning, it can become difficult to maintain motivation and attention of the user if the learning platform is difficult to navigate and is obtuse. So, in order to improve the overall learning experience, web design principles influenced by non-normal principle of interactive design can be used to improve user experience and increase user attention. In our project, we chose the Kathmandu University Open Online Courses as a case study to implement these principles. Now, let's move on to the weekly progress. Let's start off with survey. We surveyed 32 people, mostly of the age group 20 to 25, to get their opinion on asynchronous learning. From this, we obtained the result that a minimalistic design which requires less scrolling was preferred. From the survey, we discussed our project with two different groups and their feedback was that the design should be clear so as the student won't be confused. We also reviewed other online learning platforms such as Coursera and Udemy through cognitive walkthrough to help gather data for our initial design. From the data obtained, we started making our prototype. Since our project deals with web design, rather than to start off with a paper prototype, we decided to start with a digital prototype. Our initial prototype was designed while taking non-normal principle of interactive design in consideration. As can be seen, our prototype focuses on minimalism so as to improve visibility. The prototype was also designed to limit the need for scrolling. The digital prototype was then shown to 10 users for feedback. The feedback received was that consistency should be increased. From the feedback received, we improved the prototype and then created the user interface of the project. To create our user interface, as in the prototyping phase, we followed non-normist design principle. From this, in regards to visibility, we decided to limit text scrolling. We also implemented a navigation component for easier web navigation. For consistency, we focused on consistent font size, space, and color combination. Intuitive icons were used to improve affordance of the project. Through the user progress bar and icons such as log, we enhanced the feedback of our project. Heuristic evaluation was then used to review the UI design. We consulted another project group for the heuristic evaluation. They gave us feedback based on color combination, text and image combination, navigation and clickables. Through their feedback, we further improved our design and created a minimal viable product. To measure the impact of our work, persona testing was used. A persona of a student was created and through this person, the user was navigating. The observations obtained through this method were then collected to ensure that the users would have a positive experience. Hence through this, our final UI was created. For the usability evaluation, we used cognitive walkthrough as the usability testing method. We conducted this at first through the use of persona that was previously created. We also consulted other project members who were our target audience. The result we obtained was that they had positive experience while going through cognitive walkthrough. The in-detail finding of all the week's progress are documented in the project report. Our project lasted 6 weeks. Thus, at last, I would like to express my gratitude to our human-computer interaction instructor, Mr. Sushil Shrestha, for providing us an opportunity to work on such a project. Thank you. Have a good one.